How to go live on Facebook using your phone. Going live on Facebook from your phone is quick and easy, and it's a great way to connect with your audience in real time. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your feed or profile. Then, tap Live Video. Facebook will ask for permissions to access your camera and microphone if you haven't granted them already. Once you're on the live screen, you can add a description for your video, tag people, add a location, or check privacy settings to choose who can see your stream. Before going live, you can use tools like filters, effects, and comment settings. Tap Go Live to start streaming, view and interact with comments in real time, and tap Finish to end. You can then choose to save or delete the video after. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.